Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about Algorand, Algo USDT trading pair with my customer set, local targets. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, so like you can see, the more and more some hype news will be posted from projects. I guess, the project is like a rap artist or any musician. They always prepare something, in the right time, in the right moment. So if you posted the music album in not a great season time, you get less attention. So now the project starts to deliver something, some media posts, some updates. It's Algo Foundation post recently. So Algorand ecosystem will be moving to Algorand on September 22. And basically in the next 4 days, I'm not sure this exact day will push the price to the moon. No, of course, I can say something is priced in based on this news, but they posted and they deliver it now in the end of September, because they understand probably in October, November, after yesterday, the Fed cut the rates 25 basic points, the price will move to new all-time high on a BTC, for example, to new all-time high on Ethereum with correction, without correction. So they can, after that, come to the AMA sessions or so and say, oh, take a look. That's why we delivered this crazy upgrades. But guys, it's just a basic seasonality. So there is nothing special with these updates. Nothing, absolutely nothing. With that Algorand, without that Algorand, the Algo, like an asset, will be delivered to the right time, to the right moment, to the right price targets. So it's just a noise, That's why, guys, we can ignore all of that news. So now focus only on zone of interest. If we zoom out on the weekly time frame, what we can see here? So technically, we already closed the gap or not? So here, I mark that alert. Maybe I will buy at this level if some magic happen, and we dump it to that low. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. Weekly time frame, we already closed two times. We tested, even test a sweep liquidity, and no makes sense, personally for me, to drop again to 22.75 or 21.90 or 20.72. If we will drop, my alert still in play. This zone will be just an amazing time, I guess, to buy Algo. Does it looks like a double bottom? Yes. Does it looks like a cup and handle? Yes. Local one. So the target should be, I don't know, around 44 cents, 45, 50 cents. So that's why, like conclusion, locally on the weekly, I don't see any reason why we have to drop lower again under, for example, 15 cents. I don't think so. We will drop. Looks like double bottom on the weekly. Good. So it's more positive. Now, if we count with the Fib, so here, if we count from this low to this top, for example, we didn't test the 61 low by Fib. It's kind of bad. That's why if we hold the line at 0.5, it's good. If not, oh, wait a minute. We tested till penny 22, 23. Nice one. That's why I don't see any reason why we have to drop one more time low. But can we drop? Yes, of course. This is like, you remember the zone of gap on the weekly time frame. If we will see, something like this one, my target still in place. So we can sweep this one, and here I can buy more Algo, because I shared with you the video about Avax and Avalanche, and one of not so many projects which move against the market and pump a pretty good one. So congrats everybody if you watched the video about Avalanche. The same story I think can be with the Algo. Locally it looks like a triangle, so we can go higher. The main target, conservative one, it's $1.20. Now we're at around 25 cents. So we focus now on local zones. This is going to be that good entry, even for the futures, I guess. So stop loss kind of can be big one, like maybe 5%, for example. against the here 60. So this is just a local one. So 10% stop loss against the 120% with the second leverage, just a second leverage. So this is conservative one. The best case scenario, guys, of course, if till end of September, where that date of Algo land, here's this one. So maybe by this news, you know, they can plan out like a driver for the Algo price. So yes, we can see something like this one. Anyway, sooner or later, we're gonna sweep this high, test 27 block and go higher. So I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low to 19 or 17 cents. I don't think so. I don't see any reason now. Of course, the BTC looks kind of weird because yesterday after the farm decision, of course, everything being priced in before. So we dump it. Today we pump it, and I don't like the pumps before the weekends. So that's the point. And I hope the BTC dominance will continue going down, right? To 55 maybe, to even under 50%, but highly recommend you go and check the video about the BTC dominance and Ethereum BTC trading pair to know where to fix the altcoins. That's a problem, guys. If, just an example, if, for example, here, Algo will be at 65 cents and the BTC dominance will be at 48, probably it's going to be the end of cycle for Algo. That's why now it's really important to start deliver the price higher now, because in the next few months. Because if we just go on a sideline, and this train can go without Algorand. So I hope they will deliver the price in the right time, in the right moment. Even the daily time frame looks like double bottom. So everything okay. Let's check with a direction. ADZ I can show you, it's a ticker, not from exchange. So daily and 12 time frame, I guess. Best algorithms. Oh, some random news. All right, so here's a accumulation, here's a sell. Now nothing on the daily. 12 time frame here. Here's the accumulation. So I guess the will step by step accumulate. Locally, guys, you can also add alerts and wait. If you the fan of accumulation, like with the, you know, DCA, 24, 20, average entry 22. Also good, I think. If we drop to 17, of course, guys, if Algo, imagine, will drop to 17, I think the Ethereum will be that time around 3K800. So that's the point. But based on seasonality, I guess we will see the bullish autumn. A lot of positive news. Also, I share with you the market capitalization of the stable coins, around 300 billions. What they have to do with that stable coins? So they print for what? I guess some part of that stable coins will inflow into altcoins, and maybe some liquidity will inflow into Algorand also. So locally, direction, no signal for accumulation yet. Market smooth. This is just a positive, not good, not bad. Money power. Main money inflow was here at the end of August at 22.999. So a test of 61 level FIP. Now nothing. Here's also money in. Looks good. Looks good for Algo. Weekly, no signals to out of Algo. Here, time to sell. We traded at 31 and dump it to the 22. Now nothing. So based on money power, this is a possible scenario. You know, if you know, this like cup and handle pattern a little bit extended in time. It's hard to say. Maybe by beginning of October. Will be kind of weird, so we're gonna waste 2 weeks more. But the main direction, I guess, higher. If just in case, if we drop like this one, guys, we can drop in trouble, even to new all-time low, because technically now we're still in the uptrend. If we break the structure on the weekly, it can be the bad signal. I don't think so. We will do this one. That's why locally, I hope everything will be okay for Algo. And trade on weekly, sell buybacks. Let's check on the 12-hour time frame here. Sell, buyback, 4-hour time frame, buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, that triangles. Now we got a signal to sell. Let's add alert to take profit from sell. Take profit from this sell. So I hope to see this take profit, signal to buy, and go higher. Take profit, guys, indicator is let's check on 12 time frame here. The buy line now is 1657. Honestly, I don't think so. We will drop to that target. Buy line on the daily 1589. Yes, of course, we will keep the structure, uptrend structure, but based on just seasonality, I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. Buy line on the weekly, it's 1440. Also, I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. Monthly, on a monthly, there is no data. So guys, the monthly looks more attractive to put the price higher, sweep this high to this alert and to fulfill of monthly gap. After that, it's too early to talk about the potential all-time high. XRP did it, but not all tokens are the same like XRP. So guys, zone of interest for Algo, I showed you. By the way, they take profit now 32.93, exit line 37.28 on the 12-hour time frame. Daily 31.72, exit line around 27 block 35.77. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you feel comfortable accumulate now Algo, I guess the Algo will be a pretty good performer, not like top gainer, no, but we will see the good gains with Algorand. I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what you think about Algo. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I was showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.